This is mathematics class for class 4. Today we discuss chapter number 4, Tick 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 from NCERT, and this is lecture number 6. Now, first comes motivational quote. Today's quote is, if it is important to you, you will find a way. If not, you will find an excuse. So students, if you want to do a new thing, then you will definitely find a way to do that work. Then you will become successful. But if you don't want to do, then you will find different reasons for not to do that work. Now, what are the topics? Growth of different animals, finding the number of days, practice questions, and homework. First, this is the picture of a mature hen. Now, this is a picture of the different stages of growth of a hen. This is egg. Here, the egg is broken and babies come out. This is the picture of a hen for 2 days. This is the picture of a hen for 3 weeks. And this is the picture of a hen for 18 weeks. Now come to the next. This is the picture of a cow, and here this is the picture of a cow at different stages and also have timeline. Look, here this picture indicates for less than 1 year, 1 year, this picture for 2 year, this is for 3 year, this is for 4 year, this is for 5 year, this is for 6 year, and this is for 7 year. Now if we just compare the timeline, then what we can say? We can say that the growth of a cow is more rapid than the growth of a human being. And yesterday what we saw, we observed that Munia's growth is not as rapid as Rani's puppy's growth. So, by observing all of this, we can say that the growth of all animals are not at the same speed. Now come to the question. First, do all animals grow at the same speed? No, all animals do not grow at the same speed. Second, discuss about the growth of a hen, a cow, and a bird. Now, according to me, the growth of a bird is the most rapid. Then the growth of a hen, and at last the growth of a cow. Now students, you have to write these questions and answers on your copy. First question, do all animals grow at the same speed? What I have written? No. Second, find about the growth of a hen, a cow, and a bird. Now, next, picture of the baby animal and the big animal. Look, this is the picture of a duck, and this picture indicates the growth of a duck. Students, you have to draw this on your copy, and also you have to color. Second, this is the picture of the growth of a hen. This one you also have to draw in your copy and you have to color. Now, this is the picture of the growth of an elephant. You have to draw this on your copy and you have to color this picture. So, what you have to do? You have to draw duck, hen, and color, and then you have to draw and color these elephants, ducks, and hens. Now come. Here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? Now, if I observe the picture, then that person looks the oldest. Now, read. This is Elephant Appu's grandfather and it is 95 years old. This is Chuchu Rat's grandfather and it is 2 years old. How funny! This rat becomes grandfather only at 2 years. Now, this is Rani's grandfather and he is 70 years old. Now come to the question. First, here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? Rani's grandfather. Second, how much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Age of elephant Appu's grandfather is 95 years and age of Rani's grandfather 70 years. So, if we subtract what we get, 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. That is, Appu's grandfather is 25 years older than Rani's grandfather. Next, will Chuchu's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? Never. Next, how much younger is Chuchu Rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Age of Rani's grandfather 70. Age of Rat's grandfather 2. So what is the difference? 0 minus 2 is not possible. We just borrow 1 from 7. So 7 becomes 6. This becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 6. Now Chuchu Rat's grandfather is 68 years younger than Rani's grandfather. You have to write these questions on your copy. Now come to the next, finding the number of days. What is the question? How many days are there from 9th September to 5th November? Now students, here you have to find the number of days from 9th September to 30th September. Then from 1st October to 31st October and from 1st November to 5th November. Now students, if I ask the question that how many days are from 9th to 30th September, then what most of the students do? 30 minus 9, then 21. Is it correct? No, because I say that from 9th to 30th. That is why you have to add extra 1 because you subtract these days. This days was excluded, but you have to include these days, so you get 22. Now student, if the question is how many days are there between 9th September to 5th November, then the number of days in September should be 21. I repeat, if it is written that how many days are there between 9th September to 5th November, then answer would be the number of days between 9th September to 30th September is 21. But here what I say? Here I say that the number of days from 9th September to 30th September, that is why you have to add another 1 after subtraction. Now let us verify why. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, what I said? The number of days from 9th September to 30th September is 22. But student, if I say that number of days between 9th to 30th, then you can say that there are total 21 days. Okay student? Now student, just see how I do this math. Number of days from 9th September to 5th November. First, 9th September to 30th September 22. 1st October to 31st October 31, and 1st November to 5th November 5. So total number of days 22 plus 31 plus 5. Now do this addition orally. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 2 5. So total number of days is 58. Thus there are total 58 days from 9th September to 5th November. Now student, practice. How many days are there between the following? First, 4th November to 19th November. Here you can only do subtraction. And what would be the answer? Answer you can get after subtraction is 15 days. Second, 16th July to 1st August, then 16 days. 8th September to 12th October, 34 days. Now homework. The flight took off at 6:45 a.m. The flight had a halt for 1 hour 10 minutes and was in the air for 2 hours 15 minutes. When did the flight land? You have to find the time. Next, Sheena put up lights in her house for Diwali on 29th October. She took them down the day after Christmas. For how many days were the lights up? Next, how many days are there from 29th June to 3rd September? Number of days from 24th April to 13th May. How many hours and minutes are there between 5 a.m. and 7 p.m.? This all about today's session. Students, complete all before attending the next session. Thank you.